Hey, what's going on, guys? It's your boy Lenny. Welcome back to the channel. Today is a little different from the last episode of the ES300 build. Today we're actually going to shoot with Tucker. Tucker's actually coming back from California and he's stuck on I-5 right now. So we're gonna go down 30 miles and meet up with him and help him get a new bolt for his alternator. And it should be good after that, and then we'll be able to get some nice rollers and he'll be headed on his way back over to Bellingham. Unfortunately, I'm not going up there with him today, but it is exciting to see that the boy will be back in town, so it's great. But yeah, guys, I'm on my way right now, so I will catch you guys when I find Tucker on the freeway. Catch you guys there. Yo guys, we've made it 30 miles in the Lexus. Found Tucker. Oh, the Miata's broken. We've got to get new bolt.
This piece of shit car, dude, I swear to God. So, here's what happened. I was following a truck with a bunch of bales of hay on the back of it.
Oh, jeez.
And if you look at the other side of my car, it's just down.
I know, it's just... There's a lot of grass on it.
There's a bit. So what happened is I ran right over it because it was like just like a like, you know how hay, if you like cut it a little bit, it'll just like flake off in layers. So just one little layer got right under my passenger front wheel and yanked on my alternator belt and snapped this bolt.
That's a bitch.
I could probably get the bolt out for the vlog here.
Yes, sir.
So that
there she
is the old bolt.
Oof. Snapped.
So that's all we need, and hopefully she should be good to go. I was wondering if something more significant was wrong because my battery light came on, and then I was like, oh wait, the alternator's just not charging it at all.
Heck.
So
heck and heck.
Time to lock up and go get a fucking bolt.
All right, this thing's a champ. We made it here, so hopefully we can make it back. Alrighty, so we found an Ace Hardware like 2 miles down the street. Grabbed a new bolt for it. Let's see if it works.
I think it's gonna work. I think it's fine. So this is essentially just gonna go in like that, and that.
All right.
If I can get this belt back on it.
Truth. Tension.
I just gotta move the alternator. See, the alternator's literally just like swinging here. Like if you can see,
I can't even see.
If you can see in there, it's just loose.
Yo, got the McDankles. Tucker's setting up the Ronin right now. Gonna get some nice crispy cinematics of us eating McChickens or some shit. I don't know.
Yeah. You always gotta go one step further than you think you should.
That's facts. And then you'll always be prepared.
Here's the issue.
Oh, what's that?
I broke the buckles on my camera case, so it dumped all my stuff everywhere in the pile of crap that already is my passenger seat. So I don't know where the plate to attach my camera to the Ronin is.
I don't think this is what they meant when they said camera car. Alrighty guys, we are at my usual shoot location. You guys already know this spot. Yeah. Got the Miata out here. We're just gonna take some nice clips of this freshly cleaned Miata. And I left the Accord dirty because I don't give a fuck. This will get cleaned at some point in the summer, so don't worry about it now.
Thumbnail boy.
Yeah, I feel that. Is my car too dirty?
My car in probably 3 months.
Including with your phone?
Not including with my phone.
Okay.
My camera.
Then same. I've probably gotten more than 3 months. I don't take pictures of you enough, huh? It's okay. Oh yeah.
Parkour.
Ninja Tucker over here.
Parkour.
Hardcore parkour. What was the height of him? Those ducktails.